What's new, crew? I just got out of Aldi, loaded everything into the van. We're gonna go back home, lay everything out, and talk to you guys, but I want to talk to you guys first before I got home because I got some Christmas gifts and some items. The day I'm filming this is the last day of November, so tonight our little Santa friend is due to make an appearance, and he is going to be bringing some treats for the kids for breakfast. He called me ahead of time and made sure that I knew he wanted to bring some chocolate donuts and also some mini blueberry muffins. So I picked those up and I'm going to have those ready for him to set out for the kids for tomorrow morning as his like welcome back surprise for everybody. But I also finished up some Christmas shopping for my nieces and nephews in here today. I had some things, I saw them on the Aldi Instagram pages, really wanted to get them, and they actually had them today, which is great. Things can sell out so quickly, and I figured like maybe after Black Friday, people being in town and shopping, they might be gone, but I got some, very happy about that. Plus I got some clearance items. I'll talk to you guys about kind of a little bit more in depth on that when we get back home. I also got London, my oldest, a pair of boots. I love their like kids clothing and shoe items here. Summer, winter, fall, doesn't matter. They're always really good deals, and they're usually pretty decent quality too. I have had items that I've bought from here passed down as hand-me-downs to other kids, but I got here a pair of like silver sparkly boots. I'm going to bring those. I'm also going to hide those. I'm not going to bring those in the house, so that's included in my total that I'm about to tell you, which is $385.49. I like to keep my budget around $250, $300-ish, so I'm about $85 over budget. But like I said, it's Christmas time, lots of extra baking things, lots of extra snacks. Finished up some grocery shopping, or finished up some Christmas shopping for nieces and nephews, plus got some gifts for my own kids. So pretty good, very, very good. So let's go home, lay everything out, and walk you guys through the entire grocery haul. I think this is probably my biggest haul all year, at least from Aldi. So let's go ahead and talk about it. I got 4 Hawaiian rolls. I almost never get this many, but I'm going to throw these in the freezer. I'm going to use one for lunch tomorrow. The rest are going to go in the freezer for when the kids are home for winter break, just because these make really easy sandwiches or sliders, really easy lunches. So that's what that is. It could even be a dinner if I ever really needed it to be. I got an extra thing of oats. I had a couple, like a handful of cups left over, but I'm going to kill everything. Okay, so I got some rolled oats. I had a little bit left over, but some of my husband's favorite cookies are drop cookies for the holidays. They're one of my favorites too, so we needed more of those for that. Plus we will find ways to use this through the holidays with like oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, oatmeal raisin cookies, all sorts of things. So we will go through that. I always get these for the kids. I'm going to try to block the sun here, but these are one of the kids' favorites. I get them every year. Sometimes they have a Christmas tree variety, but this is what they had today. I got 2 boxes of snowmans. My kids already broke into these. I have 4 kids, so 1 box is 1 snack for the kids, so this one's already gone. But I got 2 more reindeers. I love these. No artificial colors, no artificial flavors rather, but they're caramel, chocolate, strawberry flavored ice creams. Really fun. And then the snowmans are just strawberry and vanilla. So there's that. These will go in the freezer. The kids can pull these out for just a fun little snack. Then for a snack for my husband and myself, we really like these gelatos. My Aldi doesn't always have them, and my husband and I have different preferences. I like anything chocolate, so I got this triple chocolate for myself. Not that my husband won't eat this one, but he's not as huge a fan of chocolate as I am. And I got him this caramel cookie crunch one. I would eat both of these, but we will break into these kind of like after the kids go to bed, watch a show together, hang out a little bit, have some gelato. So there's like our treat for ice cream for the month. I got 3 bags of Honeycrisp apples. That's what was cheapest this month. I could have gotten another bag, but I know I'm gonna be going back grocery shopping for like a before Christmas grocery haul for Christmas meals and Christmas break for the kids, and I'll get more apples if I need them then. 2 bags of chicken thighs. Their chicken was wiped out today. Don't really know why, but I think we've all become accustomed to that since 2020. Chicken can be kind of hit or miss still in my area. I do have 1 bag of chicken breasts in my freezer still, so we're just gonna have to make do with that. I got these writing icings. I'm not even quite sure what these look like. I really wanted to open it up in the store, but I didn't want to be like that person to open it up. but I'm hoping these are just like something that'll be really easy for the kids to use when we're doing holiday baking. Okay, so they're okay, that's not what I was hoping it was. It's literally just like food dye packaging, which kind of stinks. I got 2 packages, but nonetheless the kids will use these. If you're looking for something really easy for kids, Walmart sells these markers that they're literally just markers, but they're full of like edible dye, and they're really good for decorating sugar cookies. The kids just color on them like they would a marker. They're really great. They're kind of expensive for what they are, and I was kind of hoping that's what these would be, but nonetheless we will use them. Well, let's just skip ahead over here. I did get 2 boxes of graham crackers because we do instead of gingerbread houses, we do gingerbread houses but with graham crackers. It's cheaper, the kids actually eat them, they get to decorate them, make their houses, and then they'll actually eat them because they like graham crackers. And it's better when you're doing them in bulk. Obviously I have 4 kids, but then I have my sister-in-law who brings her 2 sons over. We do it, this will be our 2nd or 3rd year I think we're doing that, so we'll use that writing icing for those, and she brings all the candies. I'll make our frosting from scratch, and the kids just have a ball. We put a ton of icing and candy and all sorts of things in the middle of the table. We'll help the kids make their little houses. So we will use those during that, plus to decorate sugar cookies and different things like that. I get these every single Christmas. They're my favorite. These are my favorite treat. I like these so much. These have gone in my hospital bag before when I had a baby due at the beginning of January. But these are peppermint pretzel stars. So good. They're just white chocolate dipped pretzels with candy canes crushed on top. Super easy to make, but these are really fun. These will also make a really fun Christmas gift. But I got 2 bags just for snacking. I also got 2 bags of their breakfast sausages. I've just needed some more help in the morning, and I'm trying to eat a little bit more protein. We have a freezer full right now of bulk sausage, like breakfast sausage and bacon. But these are just really nice sometimes to throw in the microwave. If I don't have anything thawed, I don't want to have to cook a whole pound at a time. These are nice sometimes if I'm the only one that wants it. So that's kind of what these are for. But these are also really nice for breakfast sandwiches. And I plan on doing that this month as well. 2 things of marshmallows for the kids. We still had some left over from last month. But this will go in our holiday baking. Let's see, we got 2 things, or 3 things of just regular milk chocolate chips. I also got, I think, 5 things of butterscotch. My Aldi only sells these during the holidays, so I kind of stocked up. We don't use these all the time, but this will be fun to mix it up a little bit. Plus I got 2 things of white chocolate chips. I had a ton of minis left. I stocked up on those a couple months ago, and I still have plenty. So that is kind of like our holiday chocolates for cookies and baking and things through December. 2 cucumbers. I still have 1 cucumber left from our mid-month shopping. Just think of romaine lettuce. One of my daughters asked if I would pick up these Caesared salad kits. I haven't been getting them recently. She really likes them. So I didn't realize she missed them until she told me. I got 2 bags of these, and we are going to do 1 bag of this tonight with 2 bags of this chicken Alfredo for dinner tonight. I just wanted something easy after grocery shopping. It's pretty late in the day too. I think it's like 3 o'clock, maybe 4 o'clock. So by the time we get all of this put away, it'll be really nice to just kind of like dump and go some things. I got 2 8-packs of large flour tortillas for all of the tortilla needs. 4 things of lunch meat. The Black Forest has been what's the best price the last couple months. So I got 3 things of ham, 1 thing of turkey, just to be able to mix it up a little bit. Because they were short on my bags of chicken, I got 2 things of turkey kielbasa just in case I needed it. And sometimes it's nice to just mix in a different protein. So I did get 2 of these. These are also really nice for days I forget to pull out meat and I want something really quickly. There's that. Kids also asked if I could get some more of this fresh snacking mozzarella. They really like this. So I got 2 kind of, I don't know what you call these packages, sleeves of these fresh mozzarellas, plus 2 pounds, so 4 pounds total of shredded mozzarella. These are for homemade pizzas, strombolis. We go through a lot of mozzarella. I don't need any cheddar because my freezer is still full of some discount shredded cheddar that my husband got for us. So that is all of the cheese I needed. This was something new I've never seen at Aldi. I don't know if it's a Christmas item, but pretty much all of their other candy bars were sold out. 'Tis the season, I suppose, but I got this milk chocolate filled with caramel brownie cream. Because I didn't have the chocolate bars my husband usually likes, I thought he would like these. I got 3 of them. I'm planning on giving one away as a Christmas present because I think I have someone in my life who I think would really like this, but the other ones are for my husband for the month. A thing of mayo. Usually I make my own mayo, but chickens aren't laying right now. I'm getting like maybe 1 egg every couple of days. So we're buying eggs, which means we're buying mayo. So I got a thing of mayo for the month, especially coming up with like some Christmas baking, deviled eggs, things like that. We're gonna need mayo. I got a thing of ricotta cheese, a thing of cottage cheese. I've been eating a lot of cottage cheese recently. Like I said, trying to get a little bit more protein in. But we also use these things for like lasagnas or stuffed shells or something like that. So there's that. This is also the month I made my meal plan this month and then I lost it and I didn't want to redo it again. So I'm just kind of winging it this month. I got a lot of ingredients that I know we'll use all the time, and then I'm just gonna meal plan for a week at a time, probably throughout the month of December. So there's also the season of tape. So I got a thing of tape while I saw it at Aldi, and hopefully I won't need to buy more. I got 4 things. Oh, just kidding. I got 1 beef. I did not realize there was a difference. Okay, so these are these little like snacking sausage sticks, I guess. I got these a couple months ago for my husband to keep in his lunchbox. The kids really liked them. I had a hard time keeping the kids out of them for my husband, so I just got these this month instead of the like slices that we usually get. So it looks like I got 1 beef and 3 turkey. 6 tomatoes total for wraps, sandwiches. The kids will also just eat these with some of that slicing, snacking mozzarella. The kids are back on a smoothie kick. So, especially my 2 younger ones, they've been asking for a smoothie every day or so. So these are their favorite mixes for smoothies particularly. So I got 2 bags of berry blend, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. And then I got 2 bags of strawberries, pineapples, peaches, and mangoes. This mix is really good. Their cuties or halos were on sale. They were 99 cents a bag. Winter is citrus season, so these are always going to be really cheap through the winter. I almost got a 3rd bag just to can up a bag, but I didn't because I have enough going on in December. I didn't want to add something else to my plate, so these are just what the kids will eat fresh. I got a couple bags of chips just because we don't always do like regular chips. We'll do tortilla chips all the time because we can a lot of salsa, so anything other than a tortilla chip is pretty, I don't want to say special, but special in our house. So I got 2 things of original. I got 1 thing of barbecue. I figured we can do these with just meat and cheese sandwiches over the next couple of days for lunches or whatever. Maybe tomorrow when we're doing some sandwiches on our Hawaiian rolls with some tomato soup, we can pull some of these bags out. So there's that. I figured if I was going to run out of anything during December, it was probably going to be cream ofs. So I got 4 things of mushroom, 4 things of chicken, lots of casseroles and things going down, lots of holiday parties and get-togethers. So I just wanted to make sure I had enough with what I had on the storage shelf. 4 bags of baby carrots. These went up in price again at my Aldi. These are now $1.30 a bag. I remember a couple years ago they were like 89 cents a bag. So there's that. 4 things of butter. I'm kind of regretting not getting more, but I do have a lot of unsalted butter in my freezer. The only thing I'm worried about now is when I was shopping, I didn't think about all the cream cheese frosting I was going to make, but I suppose I could use my unsalted butter for that, and I don't think it'll be an issue. So this is kind of like toast butter and like cooking butter, and then all my baking stuff, I'm just going to have to really make sure I'm using that unsalted butter out of my freezer. I ran out of seasoned salt this month, and I went to go downstairs to my food storage and realized I didn't have a backup down there. So as diligent as you can try to be, sometimes you just miss things. So I got 1 for my cabinet, 1 for my food storage. 2 things of sweet vanilla cold foam. I love these on my coffee. I have coffee at home every single day. It's very, very, very rare that I will get a coffee out and about. So this just makes it feel a little bit more special. So I got those. 2 things of bagels for those breakfast sandwiches, egg and some of that sausage, maybe a little cheese, some lettuce, a tomato. The kids really like that, and my husband too. So We don't do those as often, so I got some bagels. I want to learn how to make bagels, but once again, like, this is not the month to be adding things to the plate. Got just a gallon of milk, needed that. I also got a thing of heavy whipping cream. It's a better price at Walmart, which is normally where I get it, but I ran out of whipping cream like 3 days ago. This is what I use in my coffee instead of coffee creamer, and I've been drinking my coffee black, and I just don't like it. So I got this so that tomorrow morning, before I go get my Walmart order, at least I have something to drink my coffee with and I can actually enjoy it. Just some olive oil cooking spray for all the cookies and baking we're going to be doing this month. I stocked up on tomato sauces. This was a really bad tomato year for me. I had a lot of blight issues. It was a really bad year for me for tomatoes. I barely canned any tomatoes, and everything that I canned we've pretty much gone through. So these are all tomato sauces of different variety. Just stocking up because I used the last one off of my shelf. So I got a variety because it's been a long time since I've had to buy spaghetti sauce. So I didn't know what we were going to like. So I got a couple things of traditional. I got 2 mushroom. I got 2 marineras. 2 meats, and then I also got 2 tomato, basil, and garlic, so we can try pretty much everything that Aldi has to offer, and we'll be able to see what we like, which one's our favorite. Do we really tell a difference? So I got a big party size of peanut butter M&Ms. These are from Menards. I had to stop and do an errand for my husband, but I did get these from Menards for Christmas cookies. I got a thing of pretzel rings for the kids. We will do these when the kids get home from school for winter break. It gives them a project to do, but I'll just melt some of those chocolate chips, and the kids will dip them, decorate them, maybe put some peanut butter M&Ms in the middle. The kids like those. Here is our thing of tortilla chips, and that completes the entire Aldi haul for the month of December with some fun Christmas finds, treats, all sorts of different things.